"Don't go in there," she told me. I said, "Why not?" She said, "Don't go in there." I said, "You have a surprise for me. You have a gift for me." Oh, I was so excited. Everyone loves a surprise and a gift, right? Oh, what a surprise. What a gift. You see, I went in there anyway. I shouldn't have. She told me not to. I don't know why I didn't listen to her. It would be very different today if I had. But no, I didn't listen. I opened the door and walked in. Imagine my surprise. There was not a pretty gift-wrapped box on the bed waiting for me. No, not at all. It's not even a card. There was a man under the covers. She knew he was in there, of course. I mean, after all, she'd just been in there herself, right before I arrived. She didn't expect me to arrive, you know. I was supposed to be out of town for 2 more days. Imagine her surprise when I came home early. It was nearly as great as my surprise. You see, I'd hoped for a welcome home gift. But instead, there was a man lying. He wasn't even a good-looking man. Actually, he was rather ugly, I thought. I did think surely she had better taste than that. And I didn't know whether I should feel complimented. No, because I knew I was better looking than that. Or should I be insulted? Perhaps she didn't think I was better looking than that. Perhaps she thought he was better looking than I. Oh my, what a horror. I was going to ask him his name, but, you know, didn't seem to be any point. He really couldn't talk very much with his throat so full of blood like that. He could barely gurgle a few times before he quit making any noise whatsoever. She was quite shocked I had such a strong reaction. I'm sure she was. I could see it in her face. For a few moments, of course. And then she made no more noise either. But you know, she didn't expect me to come home. So I don't know why I reacted that way. I mean, she thought I was going to be gone. If she wanted to have company over, well, what's wrong with that? Right?